Come with me and I will show you how to make this delicious cheese bread. Welcome! 300 milliliters of full-fat milk. 10 grams of dry instant dough. 30 grams of white sugar. We mix together. We rest for 10 minutes. Mix 480 grams of all-purpose flour or 7 grams of salt. After adding 40 grams, it melted. Add flour little by little and mix. We knead well with our hands. Make sure that the dough should be sticky after kneading. Let the dough rest for 1 hour. Chop 20 grams of parsley completely. Put the parsley in a bowl. Add 250 grams of grated pizza cheese to parsley. "40 grams of cream cheese. We mix them. Grease the bottom of the mold with oil and put parchment paper. Our dough is completely puffed. We grease our palms with oil. We separate the size of a walnut from the dough. We open it with our hands on our work surface. We put the mixture of cheese and parsley in. It unfolded in the way you see in the video. And we put it in the mold. We will continue doing this until the dough and the mixture of cheese and parsley are finished. 10 minutes rest. After 10 minutes, we wipe them with milk. We sprinkle sesame seeds. I put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Remove from the oven after 30 minutes. Rub with olive oil. Chopped parsley for garnish. Our milk is ready. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. Support me with like and subscribe.